Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock, and we'll also just go high level over QQQ and SPY. I want to talk about Tesla as well, but that's in another video. There's shareholder meeting ongoing. So once that is concluded, I'll go over Tesla as well. But this video will be focusing on semiconductors and specifically Nvidia, and then I'll show you around other semiconductors as well. So with that, hit the like, subscribe. Also, please note, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. So really quickly, just want to show you my day trading bot on Nvidia. Today was also a good day, and yeah, net profitable. So yeah, we are last 30 trades net profitable on Nvidia, and good day today as well. AMD is also doing great. I mean, yes, I have a short position on the swing side, but as on the day trading as well, you can see today was also a profitable day. We got bought back into the rebound, and yeah, that went good as well. And also last 30 trades on AMD also net profitable. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right. Now, so let's go back to Nvidia and let's talk through the price action. So we have, Nvidia at $129. All-time highs. Structure is still bullish, right? Higher highs, higher lows, right? These are the higher highs. And so we are in the new high range. And I can get rid of this blue box right now. We don't need that. But yes, so from here, what do we see? Well, as I said, structure is bullish right now. Any pullback on this is just a buy. This is a good support now, 125 and 56 cents. As long as we are above that, pullbacks are just a buy. Below that, some weakness may come, but am I seeing any signs of that? No. The candle is still bullish and things can rip higher from here. So let's go to the hourly interval. And you can see that we closed on the upper end. And if you have seen my videos and in the morning as well, the updates that I provided, I mentioned that any pullback to 20 hours moving average right now is just a buy. And all these, anything to this level of 126 and 90 cents is just a buy, and all those pullbacks are still getting bought back up. Now, the place where we are, guys, we are just bullish. Higher highs, higher lows, and if we continue to break this 129 and 74 cents tomorrow, it's just another leg up. Is there any bearish sign? No. If tomorrow, if it sells off, 20 hours moving average can still give it an initial bounce. If we lose 20 hours moving average, then we have a possibility of coming down to 126 and 90 cents. Am I seeing that happening right now? Price action is not showing me any of that. Let's go to the 5 minutes actually. I want to go over a couple of more things here. No, I think hourly interval is fine enough, but I want to just show you guys that it's just bullish. All right. You can see that even this pivot, you can follow through this pivot as well, or just follow the 200 moving average on 5 minutes. There is another day, like even if pullback comes, at least for tomorrow, what I think would happen is, even if pullback comes tomorrow, first initially it will be bought back up. And then if it rejects 129 and 72 cents, then you have to see if it rejects and then starts breaking 20 hours moving average. If it doesn't do that, then it can just still stay high up and can continue higher. Yeah, it's full on bullish, guys. I mean, yeah, if as I said, if we lose 20 hours moving average, we can come down to 126 and 89 cents, but that will be only for intraday. Otherwise, yeah, most likely it's still going to stay bullish. Pullbacks are a buy unless and until it doesn't break the structure, which is right now at 126 and 87 cents. All right, bullish. All right, nothing else on this right now. We are purely bullish. Pullbacks are being just bought back up. All right, so let's talk about AMD as well real quick, and then I'll talk about Broadcom. I talked about SMCI already. I won't talk about it here. I'll talk ARM as well. So AMD, I have an update. I don't think I'll get a chance to do another video on this, but I took some more position out here when it started to form a support, and when my day trading bot gave a buy position as well. On the short swing position that I have, I took some more out today. I'm only now 50% short remaining on this. Still net profitable, but it's just not going quickly down as I expected, and that's where I like to start getting careful. So I'm only 50% position left on this. Are we bullish fully? No. Are we bear? Intraday bullish play came, I showed you, that's fine, but are we bullish on the structure here? Not yet. We need to close a day above $162 to become bullish on AMD, otherwise no. Yeah, but we are not even continuing down trending because we need to break this level of 158 to flush. All right, ARM is full on bullish. I have been saying pullbacks are just a buy on this, and it's being bought back up. We are almost at $164, and that's what I have been saying on my videos from last 2 weeks on ARM, that these pullbacks at the channel are just a buy, and once we get out of this channel, not just channel, sorry, out of this blue box, sorry guys, this the blue box, we're gonna explode high, and we have been getting that explosion to the high, to the upside, and 164 is what I said, that's the direction we are heading in, and we are almost there. All right, Broadcom, red candle, but as I said in the morning as well, this gap up is not a short play. The way to trade it is that if tomorrow we lose 20 hours moving average, watch 1653. If we lose this as well, a cool off may come. You can trade cool off intraday short if you like, but the trend will stay uptrend. 50 hours moving average can give it a push up again. This demand candle, I would say that any pullback into this demand candle can be treated on the lower time frame when you see a consolidation, double bottom, or things like that can be bought up. It's just try to trade it intraday long on this one. All right, SMCI, as I said, I did a video on this already. This is full on in bullish structure, and Micron is also bullish. Watch this level 141 and 71 cents. If this breaks to the downside, some cool off may come. Otherwise, no, it's just going to stay bullish. All right, I want to take you over QQ and SPY, and red candle, but this is that, well, so here's the thing, structure is still bullish. Yes, it's a red candle, but take the profits up here. But the structure is still bullish. As long as we are above the level of 465 on QQ, we are still bullish. Even before that, we are still bullish. So let's go to the 1 hour interval. Yeah, tomorrow if we lose 475, some cool off may come down to the next level of 472, but that would be it at least for now, level by level. When you are trading against the trend on the structure, it's just intraday short play. Otherwise, yeah, if we continue to hold this 20 hours moving average and any support at 475, just a pullback buy to the upside. Anywhere where, because we are in the uptrend, anywhere into the pullback, if you see a consolidation, double bottom patterns forming, is just a buy because the structure is to the upside. And then SPY, similarly, SPY again going sideways today, but you can see we held the support at that level, 540, since it closed to the upside. If it stays above 20 hours moving average, can continue higher. If it's structure is not bearish, it's not bearish, I mean, if we break 540 with 50 hours moving average, 536 can come, but until then the structure is still bullish. So 536 can be used as a pullback zone and can be tried to be bought up intraday or however, and this thing is still bullish though in the structure. Yeah, it's SPY is bullish as well. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it guys for this video. And I want to keep the focus on Nvidia, and structure is still bullish on this thing guys. There is no structure to the downside. Structure is still saying that it's bullish. Take partial profits here, and any position that is being taken, if you are getting chance to average, that's fine. If, yeah, do your own thing, but structure will structure, if from here it has to become weaker or starts to give us some cushions, then it has to break 125 and 61 cents. But until then, this is just a structural hold or in the uptrend. So, but take partial profits in these extensions, and time to reload is in the pullbacks with the stop loss on the other side, and structure is still bullish. All right, I'm just gonna quickly hover over Tesla, and I wanna show you in the post market where Tesla is. And I'm gonna do another video later today once I have gone through their conference meeting and everything. And yeah, looking in the post market, looking good, 185. Let's see what things happens. But anyways, I want to leave you with this semiconductors in this video. Tesla will be coming out later today. And that was all for this video guys, and I'll see you in my next video. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and have a good one guys. Bye.